Hey guys, let's make some akara beans. So I have 2 cups of black eyed peas here and I'm adding water and I'm going to let it rest for 3 hours before washing it. You can do this overnight if you want. So it's been 3 hours and I'm just going to wash it now like 5 times to take out all the extra dirt and it will be ready for the next phase. If you're watching to this moment, please can you just like the video, give me a follow, comment and share. Thank you. This was one of my most favorite breakfasts when I was growing up, when I was in my primary school days. So delicious. Eating with bread and pap. Oh my God, you are set for the day. So that's the dirt and that's this all the dirt I could get. And now I just put it in my blender. And I'll be adding 1 chopped onion and 2 scotch bonnet peppers. You can add more pepper if you like it hot. Yeah, just put it in and add a little bit of water. You don't want to add a lot of water because it's going to be runny. Now we blend it until it becomes a paste. Add salt. Add salt to taste and whisk until it becomes fluffy. You can use a mortar, a spoon or a fork if you don't have a whisk. Now I'm adjusting the taste. Just add a little bit of salt again and whisk until it is ready to fry. Now it is fluffy and ready to fry and I'll be frying in not so hot oil. Be careful not to fry in too hot oil because it's not going to be ready. So make sure your oil is not too hot. And I'll be turning the sides when it starts getting golden brown. Yep, and now the akara is almost ready. I think it takes about 5 minutes before it gets ready. So yeah, look at it. It looks golden brown and ready to devour. Thank you all for watching this video and please don't forget to like, comment and share the video. I'll be eating mine with some pepper, sauce and bread. Thank you all for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.